Yeah.
Same way as you post a picture.
Or post it on your YouTube channel.
No, that means she's getting tired. No, she's in here getting tired. I'll just bite whatever's in my laying distance range. That is. Okay, I think I'm gonna shower.
Okay.
I need to.
So, I don't know how to post to Google Plus.
It's a good thing she's only 11 pounds. She put a hole in the floor.
Yeah, I know it. She's eating a lot of cardboard.
I'll spin it once for her, see. She hasn't had it spun. Jesus. There it goes.
Oh, there's her.
Oh my gosh.
You just slide that underneath the...
Alright, Mary, show me how you do it. Okay, so here's the picture, here's the video.
Are you in Google Plus?
No, start with Google Plus. Oh,
I mean, we've never. This is by far the most self-playing that she's done. Right?
Yeah.
Like by far. We always have to be.
Well,
part
does
of
she...
the play.
Does she have a ball at least?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
She likes...
Couple, I want to get a racquetball for her. I think that she'd like that better than a tennis ball right now. It's a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
I think she can chew it down on it a little bit
Get
more.
it, Cora.
She's not gonna tear the racquetball out.